Thanks very much. I've got Imran Farad here with me, who's very excited about being here in Colombo. Imran, tell us about your experience this far. We've got Jerome Taylor here from the West Indies, who's playing here for the Rahuna Royals. Jerome, what are your thoughts at this stage of the match? Pretty decent start for your team. Thanks for that. I'm standing here with Kaushi, or Cash as he likes to be called, from Vayapa United. Fantastic knockout there. I think your partnership with Mahila was pretty much the foundation of the runs you've scored today. How was it playing alongside him? We're not in Kandy anymore. We're back at this humid Prevadasa Stadium. But here with me is Mahila Jayawardene, a man who can't stop smiling. At least you were till now. Mahila, your team off to a flying start again. You know, this match is turning out to be fantastic and there are so many beats. And let's just hear it from the man who knows it all. You haven't stopped moving.
I'm having a ball, man. This is like carnival.
I've got to stop calling me Manji, but I'm here with the dynamic Misbah ul Haq. Misbah, what are your thoughts about the game so far? You need a wicket desperately at this point, don't you? The moment I thought you'd met the special person was me, but obviously it's Mr. Nishanta Ranatunga, the Secretary of Sri Lankan Cricket. Sir, are you happy with the turnout here? Okay, thank you so much for talking to us, Mr. Nishanta Ranatunga. They're saying all those in front of the TV sets come to the grounds and watch it live. Back to you guys. Try and get you an update. I'm with Tamara, the physio of the Basna Hira Cricket Dundee team. Tamara, how's Riley doing? With me is a man who you'd expect more to see on a cricket field rather than the Formula One circuit. Well, with me is the Master Blaster here in the Force India facility at Silverstone. Sachin, your love for Formula One and racing is legendary. So tell us a little bit more about that. So in a nutshell, England are through to the final. At the end of today, we'll know the other team that will take them on in the final of the ICC Women's World Cup 2009. Thank you for joining Melanie Jones and me here at this beautiful North Sydney Oval, which is dressed in pink today, as are we, and this is in aid of the McGrath Foundation. Absolutely right, Deep. The race for the final spots for the 2010 World Cup enters its final leg tonight as the world football's biggest guns go head-to-head in a knockout to determine who will make that all-important cut for South Africa. And in the reckoning, of course, there's France and Ireland. This is the biggest game of the night. France will take on Ireland, with the French looking like the favourites to book a spot in the 2010 World Cup, taking a 1-0 lead from the first leg. Absolutely right, Mark. I have with me Leander Paes, the man that India adores, and also who is the latest Punjabi on the block. Punjab Marshals, how's it going?
It's going really good. It's wonderful to be on this team. I got a great bench of players. We got Somdev, we got Garbin, we got our two juniors, and our captain playing out there, so it's a lot of fun.
Speaking about your captain, he started off beautifully. He's obviously a very, very powerful player, but the home team seems to be gaining some ground.
They do have a little bit of home advantage playing here in Delhi, and they got their mascot Ajay Devgan there supporting them, so it's definitely bringing them some luck.
As far as you're concerned, of course, you've enthralled the Indian crowds for years. I mean, everybody loves you. You've been through ups and downs and all of that. But what about the sport, especially tennis, keeps you so motivated to be so dedicated? You know, because when you play, there's passion for all to see.
It's real. Tennis is real for me. The minute I step into these lines on the tennis court, everything off of it stays away. It stays off the court for the duration that I'm on here.
So we, of course, know about physical training, mental training. What about the emotional part of it? Like, how do you deal with defeat when you put your heart and soul into a match?
You know, you got to take the good with the bad, as in anything in life.
All right, thank you very much for speaking to us. Of course, we'll keep catching up with you through this tournament. And meanwhile, enjoy the national bird, or the state bird of Punjab, that is butter chicken. Back to Mark and Louise. I absolutely do. Mark, thanks very much. The extremely tall and towering Greg Rusedski, who started off fantastically today. You did start off really well and so powerful.
Yeah, I did. I had a good opening service game, but unfortunately Juan Carlos was just too good. Court's a little bit slow out there, and he played great tennis.
They don't call him the mosquito for nothing.
No, exactly. Unfortunately, with age, he gets better. Unfortunately for me, it's the opposite at the moment.
No, but to see you back here and, you know, come out and play and be a part of this team is phenomenal. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, I am enjoying it very much. I really enjoyed the match in the doubles with Leander and Gabin, and Gabin's playing great again, so the team's come back well.
Thanks very much and good luck.
Thank you.
And for those of you that don't know Mark, and I don't know if you know that as well, of course you know that Greg was born in Canada. He's played for Britain, but both Canada and England have a very special connect with Punjab in particular, right? England and Canada, as we call them. Can you say that?
I don't know if I can say that, but I can always try. Try again. How do I say it?
England and Canada.
Okay, England and Canada.
Well done. Thank you very much. Back to you guys.